Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine. Welcome back. So today we are here physical education and sports for children with special need, Divyang. Same chapter, which one is going on in plus 2, that is also having a same name, or that one also, but it is for the some sports activities, some adaptive curriculums for the person who is having physical deformity, physical disabilities for them. Okay, for Divyang, children with special need, it is chapter 4 part 1, it is of class plus 1. In plus 2 also same chapter going on, but it is advanced one. So physical education and sports for children with special need. Here in the beginning one word is there, adaptive physical education. Education or education. Okay, adaptive physical education means which a individual can adapt easily. In this chapter we are talking about the person with special need, means the person who is having a physical or psychological deformity or disability. Generally we will say disability, deformity we will use for the postural deformity. Okay, adaptive physical education, it is a integral part, it is a integral part of physical education. Normally physical education we can say like for the person who is normal one, healthy and physically fit, but on the other hand side everyone is not physically fit and fine. Some are having physical disability, postural deformity. For them a curriculum in physical education is integral part of physical education as a subject, that is adaptive physical education. Adaptive physical education अनुकूल, जो कि एक इंडिविजुअल, एक व्यक्ति जिसको कोई डिफॉर्मिटी और डिसेबिलिटी मीन्स हैविंग अ प्रॉब्लम इन वॉकिंग, इन टॉकिंग, इन सिटिंग, इन रनिंग, ओके, एनी जनरल थिंग्स. For them also a special curriculum or special program is made by the physical educator, that is known as the adaptive physical education. On other hand side we can say it is not only for the ground activity. If we talk about a word is there, inclusive education. Inclusive education. What is inclusive education? Inclusive education said that a person who have a special need, he can also take proper education under the same roof wherever a normal person is taking. Means they have a right to take proper education, proper guidelines of living life, of education as the normal persons are getting in the schools, or it is the law in our constitution that it is the duty of the schools, head of the schools or teachers, they have to give the proper education to the person who is having a special need under the same roof, under the same facility. Okay, so in physical education it is related to physical. Some will say that it is totally related with the games and sports. Not only games and sports, it is related with the theoretical classes which are students are taking in the classroom also. For them special seat, for them special place, for them special curriculum. Means some are having a disability or deformity. Disability means we can relate with the mental, means they don't have this much mental guts that they can take the education like normal one, but for them we can give a different curriculum, a different method to make them understand the concept. It is a talk of the inside the classroom, but outside if for a game, you know, Paralympic, Deaf Olympic, these type of games are going on, that Paralympic or Deaf Olympic, second highest level tournament or physical event, games and events in the world after the Summer Olympic Games. Okay. So in the games and sports on ground, special program or special facility are provided by the coaches, teachers or educators for the children with special need. Then they can also involve themselves in the physical activity, they can also do the sports activity, they can also achieve the aim which they made, they can also put up the self esteem, and they can also create an image in the society. Or even the main aim of adaptive physical education is to give the education of the person who is having special need, then he can also complete his daily lifestyle routine without any help. Means they can take bath from themselves, they can take their meal from themselves, they can do any other work like folding the chair, set up the bed sheet, wear the shoes, remove the clothes, wear the clothes, these type of general things. Or some other activity also, like after complete daily lifestyle, they can choose any work for their security of the future. Means they can get the money reward from the work, like we are doing a job of teacher. For them also, like we can make them as much we can say self independent through physical activity, through special curriculums. Then they can also do any work for them, that they can secure their future, or they can also get money, or they can also involve in the society work. Okay. So it is the main concept of adaptive physical education. For example, like any infrastructure or any building is there, we know in building stairs are there, ramp are there, or lift is there. Generally lift is for the person those are having a physical disability. For them, because they can't reach on the roof through the stair, they cannot use the ramp. So there we create a situation that easily they can go to any floor. So it is the adaptive part, it is a adaptive part. On ground we can say, like a person want to play basketball, so size and weight of basketball is according to the nature, or according to the person who is having physical disability. Size of the ground may be decreased, the height of the ring also can decrease. Same thing happen in volleyball, the height of net is very low and the area of the ground is limited according to the physical fitness level of the individuals. So these type of activity are under the program of adaptive physical education. Adaptive physical education means curriculum according to individual. Okay, that a individual can adapt easily. This is known as the adaptive physical education. Or through these curriculum, through these program, they can achieve their lifestyle goals, or they can complete their need. Everyone needs something the whole day, different things we require to complete our daily routine. So these type of need that a special person can complete easily. According to that, adaptive physical education, adaptive schedule, adaptive curriculum is there for the person. Disability. Disabilities. Which are the common disability in our society, which we have seen around us? Blindness, low vision, hearing impairment, leprosy, hearing impairment, locomotor disability, mental retardedness, or even mental illness. Blindness, अंधापन, low vision means eyesight weak, leprosy related to vertebral column, hearing impairment, deaf, बहरा होना, locomotor ability means some physical fitness components are there, speed, strength. If there is a problem in that, any muscle dystrophy is there, mental retardedness, that mentally not fit and fine, or any disease or illness take place in the individual, that are the disability around us which we have seen. Now, objective of adaptive physical education. Objective of adaptive physical education. What are the objective? First one is same opportunity for special need person like normal one. Okay, like same opportunity provide to the special need, the person who is having a special need, like the normal one. Like suppose example of inclusive education, the individuals which are taking the class in the schools, but some are having, those are having special need, disability, the schools are not giving them the facilities. So it is the right of that person that they can also get the education facility, education curriculum, or same education like the normal person, under the same roof, under the same facility like the normal one. Okay, only that curriculum may be different according to their capabilities. Second one, to improve their self-esteem. Self-esteem. Third one, to fulfill the aim of child with special need. Okay. Bring them proper participation facility like a normal one. The facility is to bring them like the normal one. To make them healthy. 6, to make them self independent. Independent means their daily work, daily lifestyle work, like taking bath, taking dinner, taking lunch, change the clothes, dress up, they can do themselves, they can do by themselves. So these are the objectives of adaptive physical education. Same facility for the person who is having special need. Or one more thing we can say, reduce health complication, means health risk, because they having a more health risk than the normal one because of their disability, because of their illness. So to reduce the chances of health complication for them, that is also a main objective of the adaptive physical education. Okay, for today this much. We'll see you in the next part. तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते. Take care of your health. Thank you.